Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the-kyle-chronicles, and I am back with another short haul video. The last one of this type I did was, I believe, last year. And last year I got the stuff at a discount because there was like a sale going on. This time I didn't, so it was a little more expensive, but still worth it because I needed some. In case you're wondering what, and you didn't read the title, underwear. So I got a package from the Underwear Expert. Not sponsored. Don't have a code or anything for you guys. However, Underwear Expert, if you would like to sponsor me, shoot me a message. That'd be great. But yeah, I've been holding on to this package for like 2 weeks because of my last video. Go check it out if you want. I'll link it in the description or somewhere on screen for you guys. But yeah, I'll get right into opening this. I know that I got some of their Pride style of underwear from one or two companies, so I'm excited for that. And this time I also only ordered, I think it's boxer styles, where last time I also ordered briefs, and I ended up not liking those as much, so just gotta get all the boxes out. Alright, so you get like a little receipt telling you what you got, and then these are the boxes. So, this is by Impetus, which is exclusive to Underwear Expert. And then I got two Pride Collection ones from Underwear Expert, I guess from their own brand. Yes. On the back, it says, as an LGBTQ+ owned business, we want to honor Pride in a way that is meaningful. Using our collective years of expertise, we created our very first Underwear Expert branded underwear collection that offers you the best comfort and premium materials, all while inspiring you to celebrate your best self. To us, Pride means being comfortable with who you are and expressing yourself in whatever you do and wherever you may go, and we look forward to being a part of that journey with you. I did not know that the Underwear Expert was a LGBTQ+ owned business, so that's pretty cool. I'll do those two last because I'm most excited for those. So I'll do this one first. I guess their tagline is, I am what I wear. It's made in Portugal. And this is red, I believe. Yeah, I believe these are a red pair. So, open that up. They are very red. That's what they look like. They're very soft feeling, which is nice. They are 47% cotton, 47% modal, and 6% elastane. Don't know what any of that means. They have a little tag. I by Impetus is a limited edition collection developed in partnership with Underwear Expert. Underwear engineered for your perfect fit and breathability. Made with the softest and most lightweight blend of cotton, modal, and elastane to support your body's movement. Fitted, low-rise styles with a thicker waistband for superior comfort. So yeah, that's what these look like, and just like my last Underwear Expert video, which will also be linked in the description, I'll be trying these on to show you what they look like on me. Yeah, so here's what this one looks like on. I'll move on to the Pride Collection ones. I'll open this one first. This one looks like it's striped with rainbows, so awesome. Ooh, it is striped with rainbows. So that's what it looks like. This one is, does it have the materials listed? Yes, but it's very hard to read. Maybe it lists, no. Okay, so it's 47% cotton, 6% elastane, and 47% modal. So I believe that's the same as the other one. This one isn't as, well, yeah, it's very soft feeling, and I really like how bright it is, so this is what these ones look like on. Finally, our last pair. I know this kind of went really fast, but 3 pairs of underwear really isn't like a super long video. This one looks like it's black, but like the waistband has some like nice colors on it, so... Ooh, I was correct. It is black, and the waistband has like these cool little like square patterns. I don't know how well you guys can see that. This one, I'm assuming is made out of the same, yeah, this is made out of the same stuff as the last two pairs, so exact same percentages and everything. Feels just as soft. This one actually feels like thicker than the other ones, but that could just be me. But yeah, this is what these ones look like on. So, I really enjoyed all three pairs. Unlike the first one I did, these were all like perfect size, perfect length for me, where the first one, that was my fault, I ordered the wrong style for myself. The one thing is the red pair, they do have like elastic around like the end of the leg holes. I didn't expect that, but it's not too tight, it's still super comfortable. I don't know, I think they're all like the same comfort-wise, like they were all super comfortable and they felt really nice, so that's a plus. I don't really have a favorite though. I mean, color-wise, I guess my favorite is probably the rainbow stripes or the red one, just because, you know, they're fun. But besides that, they're all pretty much on par with each other. They're all really nice, they're all comfortable to wear. I'm very happy that I have some new underwear. And yeah. That's kind of it for this video. Just a quick little haul for you guys to share my new underwear. If I do end up ordering another underwear expert box, there will be another video then. But yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week. Bye.